Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a quick unboxing of an AliExpress package that I have. I've already snipped the edges so it can be a quick process. I'm just showing the items and I will make an upcoming video of the swatches at a later date. I pray everyone's doing fine and safe out here in these streets and surviving this summer heat that we're in. Very hot where I live. We're in like 100-degree weather, so it's pretty hot here. So I pray everyone is being safe and staying hydrated. But I just got some gel paints. And like I said, I will be doing an upcoming swatch video if you want to tune back in. Where you can actually see the swatch of the colors and the numbers. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Never can have enough black. A pretty purple. I think that's brown. My favorite color, lime green. We have a pretty gold. We have a red. We have, maybe is that like a burgundy, brown? I'm not sure. Can't wait to do the swatches myself. A pretty blue. A pretty orange. That looked like a maroon or a burgundy. Then we have a pretty silver. So I will be doing an upcoming video of swatches where you will be able to see these colors closely. The brand is Rosalind from AliExpress. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel to watch this AliExpress unboxing. Take care, be safe, bye, thank you for watching.